Is there any pockets of the overall freight economy that you're looking at in terms of credit? Just questions about sort of the sustainability and the credit quality of those sectors?
No, I would say, when we look across the broader economy, Craig, the credit quality is good. There's certain pressures, and again, that kind of falls into the structural changes, right? The volatility on fuel is causing a cost to go up with a lot of carriers, and they're looking for help in trying to solve that. And there's a lot of different ways to do that. We're not seeing really any weakness in pockets. What we are seeing is making smarter decisions, making more informed decisions, and that's really being driven by if companies used to look at maybe a handful of data points to make a decision, now they're looking at a broader sense. So the visibility and transparency of some of that data is becoming even more and more important. But we're not seeing any strong weaknesses in the freight carrier or shipper market from a credit perspective.
Well, hopefully there's no big credit issue. I think the biggest risk everyone in Wall Street has identified is if something spoils the AI bubble or run or acceleration. That feels like probably the highest risk right now in the economy. It's sort of like a black swan event maybe, but that appears to be the biggest thing on people's radar, is because the amount of capital that's been poured into these businesses, that could be the biggest risk out there.